In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user in Google Workspace and update employee information. This process is essential for efficiently managing your team's access to Google's suite of productivity tools like Gmail, Google Drive, and more. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Workspace. You'll want to click on the Admin Console, which is the central hub for all administrative tasks within Google Workspace. Once there, make sure you're logged in using your business email. This is important because access to the admin console is restricted to authorized users within your organization. Next, look to the top right of your screen and find the Google Apps menu. It's a simple icon that looks like 9 small squares. Click on it, and from the drop down select the admin icon. This will direct you to the various administrative settings available for your workspace. Now, depending on your permissions, you might be directed straight to the admin homepage, or you may need to navigate there manually. If necessary, click on the homepage link within the admin console to get to the main dashboard. Once on the home dashboard, you'll want to find the section labeled Users. Click on this and you'll see an option to add a user. Clicking on this link will guide you to the user creation page. This is where you'll start entering the new user's information. Make sure you have all the necessary details on hand. You'll need items like the user's first and last name and the desired email address. Once you've entered all the required details, review them for accuracy before proceeding. It's always a good idea to double check that everything is correct because mistakes here can lead to issues in accessing services later on. After everything checks out, go ahead and click on the Add New User button. This action will create the account and automatically send an email to the provided address with instructions for the new user to access their account. You're also able to set initial passwords or activate two-factor authentication if these are policies your organization follows. Now that you've added a user, you've completed an essential part of managing your Google Workspace environment, ensuring your team members have the access they need to collaborate effectively. Additionally, these steps can be applied whenever you need to update employee information within the system. Simply access the Users section, select the relevant account, and make your updates. With these administrative skills in your toolkit, you're well equipped to manage user access efficiently and securely within your organization. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide useful. Remember to subscribe for more tips on managing your digital workspace.